Chandni lived in a small village at the edge of a dense forest. She was known for her gentle nature and kind heart. However, Chandni had one big problem. She was afraid of the dark. This fear had been with her since she was a child, and it affected many parts of her life. Every evening, as the sun began to set, Chandni would feel her heart race. The shadows growing longer, the night creeping in, and the thought of darkness made her anxious. She often avoided going out at night, missing village events and gatherings. This made her feel isolated and different from others. One day, Chandni's grandmother, who lived in another village, fell ill. The village was across the forest, and the only way to reach it was through a narrow path that wound its way through the trees. Chandni's parents had to take care of their farm and couldn't leave, so it was up to Chandni to go and help her grandmother. Chandni, you're the only one who can go, her father said gently. Your grandmother needs you. Chandni felt a knot in her stomach. The thought of crossing the forest alone terrified her. But she loved her grandmother dearly and knew she had to help. Okay, I'll go, she said, trying to sound brave. But I'll need to leave early in the morning. Her mother packed a small bag with food and essentials. Be careful, Chandni, she said, hugging her tightly. Remember, fear is only in the mind. Early the next morning, just as the first rays of the sun touched the village, Chandni set off. The path through the forest was narrow and winding, but in the daylight, it wasn't so scary. She walked quickly, wanting to reach her grandmother's village before nightfall. As she walked, Chandni thought about her fear of the dark. She remembered how her friends laughed and played under the stars while she stayed indoors. She didn't want to be controlled by her fear anymore. She wanted to be brave, like the heroes in the stories her grandmother told her. After several hours, Chandni reached her grandmother's village. Her grandmother was surprised but delighted to see her. Chandni, what a wonderful surprise, her grandmother exclaimed, pulling her into a warm hug. Chandni explained why she had come. I'm here to take care of you, grandmother. I heard you were ill. Her grandmother smiled and said, I'm feeling better already, knowing you're here. Over the next few days, Chandni took care of her grandmother, helping with chores and making sure she took her medicine. They spent evenings by the fire, with her grandmother telling stories about bravery and courage. Chandni listened intently, soaking in every word. One evening, as they sat by the fire, her grandmother said, Chandni, you've grown into a strong and caring young woman. But I sense there's something holding you back. Chandni looked down and took a deep breath. I'm afraid of the dark, grandmother. It's something I've struggled with for as long as I can remember. Her grandmother nodded thoughtfully. Fear is natural, my dear. But it shouldn't control your life. Sometimes, facing your fear is the only way to overcome it. Chandni knew her grandmother was right. She decided that it was time to face her fear. She didn't want to be scared anymore. She wanted to be able to walk under the stars and enjoy the beauty of the night. On the day she was to return to her village, Chandni's grandmother gave her a small lantern. This is for your journey back, she said. But remember, the real light is within you. Chandni hugged her grandmother tightly and set off for home. She walked briskly, hoping to reach her village before nightfall. But as the sun began to set, she realized she wouldn't make it in time. Her heart began to race, and she felt the familiar anxiety creeping in. She stopped and took a deep breath, reminding herself of her grandmother's words. The real light is within you, she whispered. As darkness fell, Chandni lit the lantern. Its warm glow gave her some comfort, but she knew she had to find courage within herself. She continued walking, each step a little more confident than the last. The forest seemed different at night, the trees cast long shadows, and the sounds of nocturnal creatures filled the air. Chandni felt scared, but she kept reminding herself that fear was just in her mind. Suddenly, she heard a rustling sound nearby. She froze, her heart pounding. She wanted to run, but she forced herself to stay calm. It's just an animal, she told herself. I'm safe. She took a deep breath and continued walking. With each step, she felt a little braver. She looked up at the sky and saw the stars twinkling above. For the first time, she noticed how beautiful the night could be. As she walked, she thought about all the stories her grandmother had told her. Stories of brave warriors, wise elders, and young heroes who faced their fears and emerged stronger. She realized that she could be one of those heroes. By the time she reached her village, the fear that had once gripped her was fading. She felt proud of herself for facing her fear and not letting it control her. She knew that this was just the beginning of her journey to overcome her fear of the dark. When she arrived home, her parents were waiting anxiously. They were relieved and proud when they saw her daughter Chandani. We were so worried, her mother said, hugging her tightly. Are you okay? Chandani smiled. I'm more than okay, mother. I faced my fear of the dark and made it through the forest. Her father nodded with pride. You've shown great courage, Chandani. We are proud of you. Chandani's journey didn't end there. She continued to challenge herself, facing her fear of the dark in different ways. She went for evening walks, watched the stars, and even started joining her friends for nighttime gatherings. Each time she faced her fear, she felt it losing its power over her. She realized that fear was just an illusion, something that only had power if she let it. With each step she took, she became more confident and free. One night, there was a village festival. The entire village was decorated with lights, and there were stalls with food, games, and music. Chandani's friends invited her to join them. Come on, Chandani. It'll be fun, they said. For a moment, she felt the old fear trying to creep in. But she remembered her journey and the courage she had found within herself. She smiled and said, Yes, I'd love to join you. That night, under the stars, Chandani danced and laughed with her friends. She looked around at the beautiful lights and realized that the dark was nothing to be afraid of. It was just another part of the world, one that held its own kind of beauty. Chandani's journey to overcome her fear of the dark was a testament to her courage and determination. She learned that facing her fears head on was the only way to conquer them. And in doing so, she discovered a strength within herself that she never knew she had. From that day on, Chandani lived her life without fear holding her back. She embraced the darkness and the light, knowing that she had the power to overcome any obstacle. Her story became an inspiration to others in the village, showing them that with courage and determination, anything was possible. And so, Under the twinkling stars and the warm glow of lanterns, Chandni's journey of overcoming fear continued. She knew that there would always be challenges ahead, but she was ready to face them with the light of courage shining brightly within her.